Everybody wanted to jump on here real quick and tell a little story and ask for some feedback and suggestions. So about a week and a half or 2 weeks ago, got a DM on Instagram from one of our followers. They had this bike. It's like a 03-04 Suzuki Intruder 1500. I think they called it a C90 maybe. Anyway, he's been a long time follower apparently, and so he wanted to give us this bike and see what we would do with it. So about 45 minutes or an hour south of us, we took a cruise down, picked it up, and now we have it, and we got to figure out what we're going to do with it. So I'm curious what everybody thinks we should do build-wise. It's a little bit of a strange bike to do a custom build on. I haven't ever done one before. I don't know that there's many done. I haven't seen a ton of them. I haven't looked too hard, but just curious what everybody would like to see. You know, it is a shaft drive, so that limits you in certain areas. I'm thinking maybe something kind of like a power cruiser type of build. It is a 1500. Thing should rip pretty good if we get it kind of stripped down and lightweight. Hey guys, just a quick interruption. If you've been watching, most of you know we're going to Cycle Showcase weekend after next in St. Louis. It's the February 7th and 8th, I believe. So if you watch our videos and you're going to be at Cycle Showcase, make sure you're following us, and first person to come find us and show us that you are subscribed to the channel, we'll have a prize pack for you. You know, I don't know what it's going to be, t-shirt, hat, some stickers, whatever. We're going to put something together. So just thought it'd be something fun to do if you're going to be out at Cycle Showcase and you know us, look for us, and come say hi. But I'm curious what everybody else thinks or would want to see. And it's going to be our next big build after we get the shovel head done. And I don't know, maybe we'll do something fun with it. Maybe we'll try to do another giveaway since it was given to us. Maybe we'll try and do a raffle. I don't know, the first giveaway bike we still have in the warehouse across the street because we never could get that rolling, but the channel's grown a bunch since then, so maybe now's the time to try something like that. Who knows? I'm open to all kinds of ideas. But anyway, I thought that was a really cool thing for the guy to do. I was pretty shocked that somebody followed us all these years and thought enough of us that they wanted to give us a bike to see what we could do with it. Pretty cool. Made me feel good. So wanted to share that with you guys and get some feedback from you. So that's the deal. Appreciate you guys as always checking out our videos, spending a little bit of your time with us, and please drop us a comment and let us know what you think. We appreciate it, and we hope to see you next time at Gaddy's Garage.